If your Hyundai Elantra is showing a solid blue screen when you shift into reverse, don't buy a new head unit just yet. Data shows that most blue screen errors are actually caused by broken wiring in the trunk hinge, rather than a dead camera. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where the signal is dropping out. Start with a hard reset of the head unit and a battery pull to rule out a temporary software glitch. The trunk hinge harness is the most common culprit because those wires flex every time you open the trunk. Perform a wiggle test on the trunk wiring loom while an assistant watches the display for signs of life. Repairing the wiring costs almost nothing, while a full camera replacement can run you several $100s. As you can see, tackling this yourself with a basic soldering iron saves a massive amount over the dealership quote. If the wiring is fine, you'll need to remove the inner trunk liner to access and replace the camera unit itself. You only need a few basic tools like a 10mm socket and some plastic pry tools to get the job done. Remember, always check that trunk hinge harness first before spending money on a new camera. With the wiring fixed, your backup camera should be crystal clear again. Safely hit the road and I'll see you in the next fix.